Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. So in this video, we are going to discuss the discrepancies in the selection board submitted by the government of Nagaland regarding the post of DGP. So you may be knowing in the year 1996 or 96 if I am correct, very famous case, Prakash Singh versus Prakash Singh and others versus Union of India. WP civil number 310 by 96. So this case is being quoted. This is a landmark judgment. This is being quoted whenever the posting of or the elevation to the post of DGP comes into disputes, comes into controversy. So not only in Nagaland, in Andhra Pradesh it happened. So basing on the judgment of Prakash Singh, so the UPSC has to give nod to people who are having minimum 2 years of service. 30 years of service they should have and minimum 2 years of service for retirement. If there is no other person, then they can grant it. So normally, as per the judgment of Prakash Singh, the state has to send a list of 3 persons or 3 officers fit to be qualified for the post of DGP. So out of them, so the UPSC will select whether the 3 persons are not there and they will send back the list. Out of 3, the state can select 1 person. This is the routine practice. So why? Because the government or the Honorable Supreme Court of India wanted that the person who wants to become a DGP, he should have minimum 2 years of service. Otherwise, today he will come, tomorrow he will retire. It happens. Even in the Supreme Court also, U.V. Lalit, he worked only for 3 or 4 months, he retired as Chief Justice of India. So things are there. But anyway, the intention is definitely good. Anyway, the impasse over the post of DGP Nagaland is continuing. Actually, on 23/3/2022, the government of Nagaland communicated a panel of 3 names to the UPSC for the post of the so-called DGP. But what happened is they have actually named 3 persons like Sunil Chandra, then Janardhan and Rupin Sharma. Janardhan, and actually they have later added the name of T.J. Lang Kumar, Johnny Lang Kumar or John Lang Kumar, T.J. Lang Kumar. Actually, this Lang Kumar, he belongs to Chhattisgarh cadre. He is working in Nagaland on deputation. Of course, the government is interested in him. That is one part. The government is interested in him. And actually, when the list has been returned from the UPSC, why? Because Sunil Chandra, he is working in central deputation, he is not willing to come. Second, Janardhan, he has not completed 30 years in the IPS, so he is not fit. So ultimately, they wanted to include Mr. Lang Kumar, but this Lang Kumar is negated by the UPSC because, please remember, even though his name is added later, that is when it was remarked by the UPSC, they have sent another list which contained only this Lang Kumar. Lang Kumar is a deputation on deputation. He is not belonging to Nagaland cadre. And he retired on 31/8/2022 and extension was given by the Ministry of Home Affairs for 6 more months. So that means he is going to retire by 28th of February or something like that, next year, 2023. So UPSC says, so actually this has come to the a youth organization, that is Nagaland Law Students Association. They have filed a petition regarding this appointment. So you can read the case as Nagaland Law Students Association versus UPSC. Right. So this has been pending. Actually on 30/10/2022, when the matter came up, the Honorable Supreme Court of India gave time up to 30/11/2022 to take a final shape. But it was not done because Lang Kumar's name is there and only single name has come from the Nagaland government, which is not liked by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Supreme Court, Law Students Association, they have come forward with another name, that is Rupin Sharma. He is a 1992 batch officer and Of course, the state, it has got its own priority. They do not like him to be included, or they do not like him to be the DGP. So they have not recommended. So ultimately, so on 30/11/2002, the Supreme Court, the UPSC wanted some time. Ultimately, it was posted when on 30/11/2022, when UPSC asked for 60 days more time, Supreme Court denied. They said they will take a contempt action. Ultimately, posted to 19/12/2022. Before that, they have to come to a conclusion and they have to send the panel, and ultimately it has to be approved. Otherwise, with in charge, the state cannot continue for a long time. Anyway, otherwise, contempt action. Contempt action will be taken against the government of Assam. This is the warning, sweet warning given by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So please remember, the trouble with the making of the DGP, posting of DGP, is not only in Andhra Pradesh but also in other states. So the tussle will continue. Here, whenever such cases come, please don't forget the case of Prakash Singh and others versus Union of India 1996. This is the very famous landmark judgment. So whether the DGP, Mr. Kong Kumar, will be there or Rupin Sharma will be there, we are not bothered. But Prakash Singh case will remain forever. So for that, I have made this video. Please read the judgment of Prakash Singh and others of 1996, and definitely you will be enriched with legal knowledge. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.